Good morning to all. In this rainy season, yesterday was full heavy rain. At that time, the frogs are releasing eggs into the uh, water. Now we can see here the mass of male frog releasing sperm is called as a milt. The mass of ovary female frog where it is releasing the mass of the eggs is called as a spawn. Sperm and ova both are fusing further, it is forming as a zygote. After zygote, it is reaching into the developmental stages, marula, blastula, gastrula. After gastrulation, it is reaching into the larva. See here in this water, these all are the tadpole eggs. Central region, small ball-like structure it is forming, and surrounding region mass of the or gum or jelly-like structure is forming here. So this is the frog eggs. See, these all are the eggs. Mass of the eggs, gum-like structure, surrounding region it is forming. In this live experiment, we can see now the first stage of the tadpole, the developmental stages is called as egg stage. From developmental stages, from eggs to now it is reaching into the some morphological and structural changes. Further it is forming as a larvas. The larvas are called as a tadpole larvas. Okay. So these all are called as a frog eggs. Generally frogs are doing the fertilization in the month June or July. The fertilization is called as a external fertilization. Now see in this water inner side, somewhat depth side, small eggs are forming round like structure. Okay, right, from this stage to the larvas are forming. The larvas are called as a tadpole larvas. When it is reaching into the adult stage, further it is forming as a frog, small frogs. When it is reaching into the frog stage, now they are jumping. Okay, so these are the phylum amphibians. Thank you for watching my video. In this ecosystem, you have to save each and every organism. You have to protect. When frogs are there, the dependable organism snakes. If snakes are there, the birds are surviving. It is a chain-like structure. Don't disturb our ecosystem. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Save birds, save nature, save our ecosystem. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today we are going to see how some changes of metamorphosis from egg stage to small initial tadpole stages. Now we can see into the stagnant water in my field visit. It is second day, early morning. We can see now. Okay, how initial stages of tadpole, it is moving. The movement of the tadpole in second day, we can see here in a clear picture. Central region, they have a tadpole. Surrounding region, gelatinous like structure or ball like structure, gum like structure is there. On that center region, they are moving. Today or tomorrow, they come outside into the water. From there, surrounding gelatinous layer. See how it looks like, very clear tadpoles. Okay. Now, some structural and morphological changes. And next one, the tadpoles, now gills are coming outside. How the gills are coming outside, next day we will see here. Thank you for watching my video. I am lecturer in zoology. I am K. Gopal Reddy. Save birds, save nature, save our ecology, save our biodiversity. Thank you once again. Thank you. Good morning to all. Today we are going to see here tadpole larvas. Today is third day. What is the developmental stages of tadpole larvas from egg stage to in middle tadpole stage? And now I put some food material in this stagnant water. Now we can see how they are moving into the water with the help of tail. The tail is coming outside. With the help of tail, it is a fish-like tadpole stage. At this tadpole stage, they are moving into the water. We can observe here complete picture. in this water, how they are moving, and how they are rotating. All we can observe here with clear picture. I put food material here into the water. Observe white color. It is coconut. Now they are swimming here. Tail is coming outside. With the help of tail they are moving. Okay. Today is third day, the developmental stages of tadpole. Thank you for watching my video. Save our ecosystem, save our nature. Thank you once again. శుభ సాయంత్రం అందరికీ. Early morning we saw frog eggs into the water. What is the changes from morning to evening? We can see here the egg surrounding gelatinous like structure or gum like structure is forming. The gum like structure is there, but central region some structural and morphological changes we can see into this water, stagnant water. Just I saw morning. Now the time is approximately 5 o'clock. See what's the changes. Center, you have to observe center region and round like structure region. See here how it looks like. Small dot like structures are forming. This is the first day. These all are the eggs. And another eggs. See, it is initial stages, just developing. See some structural and morphological changes. Okay, we will see some changes from morning to evening. And next day, tomorrow, we will try to see the tadpole larvas, how they are changing. Okay, thank you for watching our tadpole larvas. Thank you for watching our videos. Save birds, save nature, save ecosystem. Thank you once again. Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to watch tadpole larvas developmental stages. Today is fourth day in our field visit. In this fourth day, the developmental stages of tadpoles, the tail is now developed completely. With the help of tail, they are swimming into the water, and somewhat eyes are developed. Eyes are not still completely developed. It is initial stage of tadpole stage. We can observe here the tail is small hair-like structure. In this stage, the respiration is gills respiration. Now we can observe here right, they are eating. The feeding is started now. Small fungus, small microorganisms, small food materials they are collecting now. See here, observe here, with the help of tail they are swimming. Okay, how they are swimming into the water now. Everything we can see here. Number of tadpoles are there. This is the fourth day. See here how they are swimming. It is very clear picture. We can observe here. See, the developmental stages of tadpoles in our field visit. Tail is completely developed. Now the gills, with the help of gills, they are taking O2 CO2 transport, that is called as a respiration. Everything. Okay. See here. Okay. Today is fourth day. We will observe tomorrow what is the developmental stages again. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe and share if you are interested. Thank you. I am K. Gopal Reddy, lecturer in zoology. Save our ecosystem, save our nature, save our environment. Our environment is in yours hands. So protect, save. Thank you once again. Good morning to all. Today in our field visit is fifth day. We can observe here the developmental stages of tadpoles. Actually, H2O means water. Water, it contains a dissolved oxygen. In this dissolved oxygen, they are absorbing, and the respiration is by the gills. The feeding mechanism started. Small amount of food material they are collecting. Now they are swimming into the water. The intestine, small round like structure is forming now. The tadpoles now they are forming as a like colonial group, and some are swimming freely here. Now the stage is like a fish-like stage, but not completely it is a fish-like stage. It is a developmental stage. See here in our field visit. Observe here small amount of what is that microorganisms are there. Now they are called as a herbivorous. Herbivorous small fungi, small microorganisms they are taking, they are collecting as a food material. Now they are swimming into the water. See, call. See developmental stages, intestine. Okay, if you are touching here, what happened? We can observe in live experiment now. I am touching here. See, they are escaping. They are swimming. Here also, if we are see, so this is what is that? Scolopendra, Jewelers, etc., microorganisms, dead, decaying organisms. They are small insects also there. Dead insects, dead microorganisms also there here in this bottom layer. Here, now observe here, decaying dead organisms, right? They are feeding, they are eating small these microorganisms also, right? Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching in my field visit the developmental stages of tadpole larvas. Today is 5th day. Save our ecosystem, protect our forest. If you are interested, subscribe my channel, share somebody. I am K. Gopal Reddy, lecturer in zoology. Thank you once again. Good afternoon to all. Today we are going to watch in my field visit the developmental stages of tadpole larvas. Today is 6th day in our field visit. In this stagnant water, the tadpole larvas are developing. They are increasing their body size, the structurally and morphologically changing day by day. Now, with the help of mouth, they are taking food material, and with the help of tail, they are swimming into the water. The feeding is started already. They are still now colonial. It is a group like structures. They are swimming. Now we can observe the mouth and intestine, the size of tadpole larva, how much increasing in size into this stagnant water. These all are the tadpole larvas. See. Small microorganisms, decaying organisms, they are taking now, like fungus, etc. etc. The size of the tadpole we can observe here. How they are taking food material, you have to observe very clear. See here. Here intestine, small tadpole larva. Here it is round like structure. Now swimming. Yes. The water vibration is coming. That's why somewhat not. Okay, is it now? Yes, it is now clear. Okay, and you can observe here colonial. Right. It is very clear now how they are taking food. See. Okay. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Save our ecosystem, save our environment. Yours K. Gopal Reddy, lecturer in zoology. Thank you once again. Good morning to all. Today is 7th day. We are going to watch in our field visit the developmental stages of tadpole larvas. In this stagnant water, the water is not flowing. That's why here some chironomus larvas and some dead decaying organisms are reaching into the bottom layer, and small fungi, microorganisms, everything is there. I am putting some food material here in this stagnant water for feeding of tadpoles. Now the uh, tadpole larvae, the developmental stage is they are swimming into the water. They are still colonial. They are eating small fungi. Now you can observe here the mouth, how they are taking food material, and how they are swimming into the water. Small leaves, etc., etc. If we are putting into this stagnant water, they are standing on that leaves, and dorsal region and ventral region you can observe eyes, etc., etc., how they are dancing. Everything is clear in this our field visit. Watch now, you can observe here. Dorsal and ventral region you can observe. See here, they are still colonial. They are eating fungi, small microorganisms. See how they are collecting food material. It is it is the ventral region, small round-like structure, white color. One of the tadpole larva. They are eating food material. They are fighting from. They are fighting from others tadpoles for collecting food material. Okay. Today is 7th day. It is for observation of tadpole larvas. Don't disturb our ecosystem. Protect our environment. Okay. The size of the tadpole larvas day by day, how much increasing you can observe here. It is very clear. Okay. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Thank you once again. Yours K. Gopal Reddy, lecturer in zoology. Thank you, one and all.